Welcome back to another video from Precious Now. Today's video is going to be about WBPDCL Recruitment 2021.
Before we begin, just make sure to subscribe to our channel Precious Now and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest videos from Precious Now.
Here are some basic details. The organization name is West Bengal Power Development Corporation Limited. The post names are Agent, Mines Manager, Safety Officer, Assistant Mines Manager, Blasting Officer, Welfare Officer, Medical Officer, Surveyor, Overman, Medical Attendant, Security Sub-Inspector. The total number of vacancies opened are 115. The starting date for applying has already been started and the walk-in dates are as follows: 25th, 26th and 27th of February. The mode of application will be through a direct walk-in and the job location is in West Bengal. Here is the official website. You can check out the official website if you need further information. Moving on to the vacancy details. For the post of agent, there are 4 vacancies. For mines manager, there are 2. Is the same for safety officer as well. For assistant mines manager, there are 40 and blasting officer 2. Welfare officer 3. Medical officer 4. Surveyor, there are 9. Overman 40. Medical attendant 4. Security sub-inspector, there are 5. And in total, you have 115 vacancies respectively. Moving on to the education qualification. For the post of agent, mines manager, safety officer, assistant mines manager, blasting officer, the education requirement is a full-time 4 years BE or BTech or integrated masters in technology, dual degree BTech, MTech program or BSc, BTech or BTech through lateral entry, AMIE in mining engineering from any institute, and that should be approved or recognized by the UGC AICTE with first class manager certificate of competency under the CMR 1957 or 2017. For welfare officer, 2 years full-time postgraduate degree or a diploma, PGDBM or MBA, NHRM with specialization in Personnel Management IR HR from university recognized by the UGC or institute, approved by AICTE from IIMS, XLRI or IIT B schools. Moving on, for the post of a medical officer, MBBS degree which should be recognized by the Medical Council of India and also should be registered with Medical Council of India or the State Medical Council. For the post of a surveyor, full-time diploma or diploma through lateral entry in survey engineering from an institute approved by the State Council of Technical and Vocational Education and Skill Development or AICTE DGMS Certified Survey Certificate. For overman, full-time diploma or diploma through lateral entry in mining engineering with a valid overman certificate of competency from DGMS under Coal Mines Regulation 1957 or 2017. For the post of medical attendant, high secondary or its equivalent in any stream with diploma in general nursing and midwifery, also called as GNM, from any institute, and that should be recognized by the State Nursing Council, and having registration with an authorized nursing council is preferred. For security sub-inspector, ex-servicemen having higher secondary, which is their 12th board qualification and also experience in looking into industrial security at any central PSU, state PSU, which will be much more preferred. Here is the age limit. According to the post, the age limit will be varying. For the post of an agent, it's 52 years of age. But for mines, you have 40, for safety officer 35. It's the same for assistant mines manager, blasting officer and welfare officer. For all of these posts, 35 years is the age limit. For medical officer, it's 36. Surveyor 34 is the same for overman, medical attendant as well. For security sub-inspector, it's 45 years of age. And moving on to the pay scale. Again, for pay scale, each of the post will be weighing different pay scale as per the levels of their salary. And for the post of an agent, it's 1,54,000. For mines manager, 82,000. Safety officer, 63. Is the same for assistant mines manager, blasting officer, welfare officer, as well. For all of these posts, you have 63,000 as the pay scale. For the remaining posts, surveyor, overman and medical attendant, for all of these 3 posts, the pay scale is 41,000. And for security sub-inspector, it's rupees 27,000. Moving on to the application fees, there is no such application fee for the posts which are mentioned, and the selection process, the candidates will be selected based on the interview, and here is the link of how to apply. The same link will be headed down even in the description box as well. So don't forget to check it out and get the direct access of the link to apply for the desired and eligible post. Further, if you have any doubts or if you need any clarifications regarding this, you can place them in the comment section below and we will answer your queries. Don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to Freshers Now for more learning and placement videos. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned by subscribing to our channel Freshers Now for more learning and placement videos.